that they've made. It just needs time. A lot of people are just kind of like, a lot of people are just kind of being mean to the game for the sake of being mean because they're just looking for something to be mad at Nintendo for. It is $80. I would say the only reason, I think a lot of the reason that like people are playing the game, especially me, is because there was the Switch 2 bundle that included Mario Kart, and if you got the bundle, it was basically you'd pretty much just be getting like a discounted Mario Kart if you got it with the bundle. So I didn't pay $80 for this Mario Kart. You know, I mean, I bought the Switch 2. Obviously, that's expensive, but, you know. But
now you've done it! You made me angry! How dare you call me a Mega Knight cuck when I play Sparky Hut? I cannot believe this! The audacity!
Some people who bought the Switch 2 have stick drift. No, I think they're lying. Plus, Nintendo even said if you have stick drifts, they'll replace it, the Joy-Cons for free. I think people are lying about that because they're just trying to be mad at Nintendo. As long as you choose random online is pretty good. Yeah, I saw that, like, when you choose random, you actually get to, like, play a track. Dude. You actually get to, like, play a track. I know that's why a lot of people do it. I just think this game needs some time to set in. I think it's hard for people to justify spending $80 on Mario Kart when it's like, I don't know. Like, if you're someone who addictively plays Mario Kart, then yeah, sure, you'll buy it. But if you're just like an average gamer, then yeah, I could see why people are like, nah, I don't really want to spend the extra $20 on a game that doesn't seem like it's worth an extra $20. What the fuck? Guy rubber banding? Or okay, yeah, that's rubber banding. Oh no. No, they turned me into Paradiddy.
Smack me with it, big guy.
Dude, there are so many golden shells in multiplayer. It's like probably the most common item. I swear. Where did that guy just come from?
Hut is better
Wait,
than a Mega Knight.
am I tripping, or did that guy just like appear on my screen randomly?
YouTubers come to Twitch and Gamba at https. Twitch.
Uh-oh. All right, well.
All 3 sevens.
What? Oh. Wow. Yeah. That was awesome. Oh, man, that was awesome. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah, dude. That's so awesome, bro. I love being at the front the entire time, and then 2 seconds away from the finish line, I just get literally bent over and molested by the competition. Holy fuck, man. Game journalism. What did I place? 12th?
Hey kids, Bola here. Remember to gamble daily. Every day you gamble is 1 less day away from winning the jackpot.
True. Just void? No. You don't have to void it. I got fucked at the end. I still don't know where that first place, dude. Maybe it was because I like looked at chat for a second and then looked back, but on my screen it looked like that guy in first place just like teleported in front of me. He most likely just mushroomed through a shortcut or something, but Whap, whap, wow. What's up, Mitchie? Ugh. Stroking. Stroking, stroking, stroking. You know what it is. It's Eobis. I suck on dudes and lay on the riz. So much ass I'm clapping their legs. So much aggression. I need to let out this tension. Fuck you, Peach. This is why no one likes you, Peach. You're the worst princess. That's why everyone likes Daisy. Big fella coming through. Big fella coming through. Yeah, fuck you, Peach. Get shit on, asshole. Ooh, thank you, Toadette, for not hitting me. What? Incredibly fucked up. Nah, stay the fuck away from me. Be back there. Need me a hot, sweaty man. Hey guys, I'm in 10th place. Does that mean I win the race? Hold on. I just need like one item and then I should win. Okay, well, I lost.
I asked this on YouTube and on Discord already, but are you going to add the song as a Twitch reward, and if yes, when?
You'll know when I add it because I will say that I added it, but I don't know. I do not know when. I just know that I will do stuff eventually. Oh yeah, man. That was an awesome race. Am I gay? No. But like, you just always right. I'll probably do something with it. I am not gay. I'm just scared of women. Actually, that's not even a thing anymore. I don't even say I'm scared of women. I just say I'm like kind of not. I'm just like done with bullshit, so I just don't try. Trust me, if I was gay, bro, my love life would be so fine. It would be so okay. But I had to like women. I had to like women, bro. It's so fucked up. Go to Amsterdam. Yeah, don't they have like the good drugs there? Is that why you want me to go? I stopped seeing dating as worth it. Am I streaming on YouTube as well? Yeah, I co-stream. I do both. I stopped seeing it as worth it when there's the expectation of like, hey, take me out to $100 dinner. But it's like, why would I do that when I could just like buy Women think they're worth the $100 dinner, but then will sell their body for $5. Crazy. I'm so glad we fought for the right for women to sell their bodies to strangers for $5.
Where are all the wealthy gamblers? This gamba stinks.
Gamba. All the wealthy gamblers only come when I play Clash Royale. You're out broke. It's okay. There's nothing you can do to make the modern Western woman happy. Oh, you're talking about Gamba. That too. What do you mean, guys? Letting 1,000 guys run a train on me in one day is empowering for women. What do you mean? Oh my fucking god. Like... Hey, yeah, just 5th. All right. Okay. I just stop trying. Yeah, I don't try anymore. I just don't see it as like worth it. But I don't think that within my like age demographic, I don't think that I will. How do I describe it? Because like. Yeah, I don't know. It's just not worth it. You have a girlfriend, of course you. Yeah, I would hope that you stop trying when you have a girlfriend. All I want to do is like do like cute date shit and you know have a wife, but apparently that's like too much to ask. Should be easy, right? No. No. Even more arguing with women about ruining men's opinion on them. I mean,